People mind. A lot of times, sometimes people try to use religion to keep you calm from achieving the goals that you're going towards. It shouldn't be. Right? Because they are able to send their kids to school. They're able to do the things that they want to do. You need to be able to do the things and achieve just as the way they are doing. So guess what? Don't let nobody tell that they can't go up there and just strive in life and do what you're supposed to do. Nobody take away your money neither. Do what you need to do. Matter of fact, your first sponsor or your first charity must be your kids. And you imitate from them later and spread it to other people.
That's right.
And over there, right? Your day.